little cucumber.
Okay guys, update tayo sa aking garden. Sa garden namin ni Daddy. Look at the kangkong. It's very healthy. Oh, the gate is still open. Look at the kamote growing big. It is growing big. Okay. Kamote. It's growing up to the fence now. See that? Laki na siya. Oh, see? Ganyan ko lang siya. It's getting big. These are the kangkong. The kangkong are growing big. Big kangkong. Trying to fix this kamote tops. See, marami na kaming gulay. Kamote tops. Ang taba ng ano, ang taba ng kangkong. All the way. So this is the squash. See the squash over there. Look at the flowers of the squash. Look at that wide. The tomatoes, the eggplant. The eggplant are growing. Ito ay sili. Look at the eggplant. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 eggplant. These are the onion. Oh, I got 12 eggplant. The tomatoes are growing good. There's the tomatoes. May bunga na siya. See? May bunga na yung tomatoes. This one is big. Big one. Big tomatoes. Wow, look at that. More tomatoes growing. I need to pull this yellow. Look how big it is. Tomatoes. Ganda ng tomatoes. Dito tayo sa beans. This one here is squash. This is the beans, the Baguio beans. Baguio beans. Of course, the yucca root. The kamuting kahoy. Ang taas na niya, guys. big one. Wow. This one is sunflower seed. Sunflower seed. This one is cantaloupe. I don't see no cantaloupe. Oh, right here. This is, oh, is it cantaloupe? It's hard to tell if it's cantaloupe. Maybe this one is cantaloupe. Right here, or weed. I don't know. I planted cantaloupe here. This is the cucumber. What happened to this one? It needs to go up. Got lazy. Ang cucumber. Cucumber ni Daddy. This is our cucumber. That's okra. Cucumber yan. That's carrots. Japanese beetle. Oh, it's got fruit. It's got little bitty fruit. Cucumber. Trellis to the other side. Oh, look at that. And liit. Right there. This one, look. So we'll see. We'll wait maybe another week. See if we can put it there by the fence. So okay. These are the kamuting kahoy. Somebody's digging the plant. There you go. The kamuting kahoy. That's the garden, guys. Update of the garden.